Yo, it's good. So I'm gonna be talking about how I personally like to prepare my steaks. Whatever. So today we're gonna be talking about meat. So quite honestly, in my experience with steak and literally just like trial and error, as well as doing like a little bit of research and stuff like that, and what I've just found to taste the best, you shouldn't put a lot of seasonings on it. You should find a couple of seasonings that you like on your steak and just use those. If you over season it, it's just not the same, quite honestly. So I put garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and chopped chives. See it right here. And then I also put olive oil and Worcester sauce for it to marinate in. So when you put the olive oil and the Worcester sauce, you want to put a good amount in there, and you want to really just massage it into the meat. And then after that, you want to tenderize the meat. So if you have something like this is something that you can use to tenderize, or you can even just take your knuckles and you could just press it into the meat and just like almost massage it. I'll even just show you right now. So you just press your fist into it, not too hard. Put force, but almost do it in like a gentle way where you're not just like just abusing it. And then basically just flip it over, do it on the other side, and make sure to season both sides. And then after that, cook it till whatever you want, really. You know, it's a steak. If you want it to be rare, medium rare, if you want it to be medium well, if you want it to be well. I personally cook it on a lower heat and let it cook for a bit longer so that it comes out more tender. And if you like salt on your steaks, don't put the salt while you're seasoning it in the beginning, because it will cause your steak to be very dry when it's cooking. So what you want to do is you want to cook the steak without adding any salt, and then once it's cooked up, that's when you throw the salt on it, and then you have a much more tender and juicy steak like that. Oh, the perfect steak. With some Cajun fries. I put a bunch of Cajun seasoning. I put some garlic. I think I put salt, and I put pepper for sure. Bussin'. Enjoy.